Hey guys, today I got a package from Universal Music or Udiscovery Music, and it's basically the Danzig records. Volumes 1 through 4 have been reissued. This is number 4 here. Let's try to get this in order here. Okay, that's 3. Okay, so here's number 1. This is the original album from 1988, but it's a new 2025 version of it. Has the hype sticker. Put that aside. Then we got Danzig 2, Lucifuge. In the back. When I was younger, I had the CD, and it was like just a zoomed image of this in black and white. Kind of looked like the LL Cool J album at the same time. Danzig 3, How the Gods Kill. This is the H.R. Geiger art. I believe it was already an existing artwork, but he kind of just drew this sword with the Danzig skull on it. But that's pretty cool. This is Danzig 4. When this came out, I didn't really like it. It's like the last album with John Christ, Eerie Von, Chuck Biscuits. Then he went kind of industrial. And this is kind of cool because it has some metallic ink. I know this is kind of like the Danzig skull, but it looks like it's just really like maybe it's not really, kind of hard to see it, but it's just not that great to me. But there you go. And I had the bootlegs before this. This is going to be my original bootleg from Europe. So if you notice, it says Danzig here. The new ones don't say that, but this is actually a gatefold. This is the bootleg, but it has a gatefold, and it even has the lyrics, which most bootlegs don't do, but I guess they went all out for this one. And it's a Deaf American label. Now on the new records, it just says American, I noticed. Here's my bootleg for the Danzig 2 disc, or LP. I noticed the colors look a little more darker here. Let's just check it out, side by side. Yeah, so they're more darker, or richer on the colors on the bootleg, but also notice that like there's more detail on this one. Like you could see Eerie Von's eyes there. John Christ's eyes. But on this one, the bootleg, it's like really, really dark. Can't even see their eyes barely. So even though this is more pale, this is actually a higher quality. Let's take a look at the back. Yeah, this was UM for Universal Music and American Records with the upside down flag. And this one has, it's a bootleg, but it still has like the Deaf American logo. So it's kind of cool to maybe just keep both. And I noticed with How the Gods Kill, the bootleg, it's printed on, where the new one, this is just a sticker. It's just a sticker you could take off, so it doesn't really have a label on it actually. And this has a more greener, kind of bluish look compared to this one. It's almost like black and white. And now here's again the new Danzig 4 with the silver. It's kind of hard to see it through the camera here, but the silver. Where the bootleg was just kind of like a just cardboard kind of in gray. Wasn't really as nice. But one of the benefits of the bootleg is actually this is just a one disc, one record. And this is actually a double record, so I have to really open them up and listen to them to see how it sounds. And one of the things, oh yeah, here it goes. One of the things that this one came with is this little poster kind of the cover. And then it has this, which I understand are not in the new versions. It has basically like Bill Clinton, and like he's shaking the hands of some people that, like some officers that maybe killed the band here, and they're in like old-fashioned Western coffins. Then it has some lyrics here. And then the rest of my Danzig collection would be here. Now this is actually, technically, it's a bootleg of the Lost Tracks of Danzig. And it's a double LP. This is an official release of Danzig 5, or they call it Black Acid Evil. Here you go. This is the Martin Eman version. He's a comic book artist, or was a comic book artist. And this is Danzig 6, or Danzig 6.66, Satan's Child, also Martin Eman. There's also another cover of this, but I don't have it. Simon Bisley. It's the back. This is official by Evil Live. That's Danzig's, I believe, on and Cleopatra Records. Danzig's own label. And then also my last one so far is Danzig 7, I Luciferi. This one came out a couple years back as a vinyl release. Probably a re-release, I'm not sure. But there you go. There's a few others I have to get still. Alright, thanks for watching.